This is Saudi Arabia. Rainfall has become very regular, and flooding is not a surprising thing anymore, especially from September to April. The neighboring countries like Yemen, Oman, Kuwait, and UAE suffer from flooding almost every year. Since rainfall has become very intense in the Arabian Peninsula, many parts of the deserts have turned into green land. Some areas now have permanent sources of water. Streams and rivers are starting to flow, and the valley has turned into a lake. It's hard to imagine, but if you read ancient literature, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has predicted these phenomena thousands of years ago. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stated that the final hour would not come until the land of Arabia reverts to meadows and rivers. This is quite an interesting prophecy. Pay attention to the fact that the word revert is used here. That means that Arabia once used to be green and full of meadows and rivers. Then it tells us that it will somehow go from being a dry desert to a wetland once again. Recent studies confirm that Arabia used to be a forest, lush with greenery and rain. In fact, it was so wet and full of life that even hippos used to live there. Michael Petraglia, one of the people involved in the archaeological Green Arabia project, states in an interview, "We looked at satellite images and found that there are literally thousands of ancient rivers that crisscrossed Saudi Arabia. We also now count 10,000 ancient lakes. We have fossils of elephants. These were gigantic creatures, much larger than the African elephant. Now, what was predicted years ago has now come true. Climate change and human intervention have turned Saudi Arabia into green land sooner than people could imagine. How perfect is Allah, the Creator?